In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make money on Stakecut in 2024. So I'm going to walk you through the two ways in which you can actually use to make money on this website. And the first way is by doing an affiliate on Stakecut by promoting someone else's product. The second way is by uploading your own course or ebooks on this platform in order to make money. And some other people are gonna be the one to promote your course or your ebook in order to make money for you. But which of this method is actually the best way to make money on Stakecut as fast as possible? If you have a large community whereby you have a lot of people in there that will be interested in purchasing a course from you, you can actually go for the affiliate part whereby you just have to promote someone else's product and you're going to be able to make money as fast as possible. But then the other route is by uploading your own course, and you will be the one to start promoting your course, because if no one is actually buying your course, nobody will jump into promoting your own course for you. So you have to be the one to do the most part of it. So I'm going to walk you through the inside of Stakecut. And if you haven't signed up on this platform yet, all you just need to do is just click to claim your free account, and Stakecut is actually free. So just go down to stakecut.com or use the link in the description of this video below to sign up on Stakecut and click on register your account. And once you do that, you're gonna ask you for your details, and you can say no registration fee forever. You just have to just create your account, put your first name, your last name, your email account, as well as your password. Then you can click on sign up with email, and you can confirm the verification link inside your email account, which of course you provided. So once you do that, the next thing for you to do is just to explore the inside of Stakecut platform. Whether you just want to promote someone else's product by doing an affiliate with Stakecut, or you just want to be a vendor whereby you have to upload your own code or your own course on Stakecut platform. So I'm gonna walk you through the inside, and if of course you want to do a promotion for product on Stakecut, I'm gonna guide you through how to actually do that. And this is just the simplest way, which of course I found out there. I'm gonna make use of this method to promote people's product on Stakecut to make money. And if of course I later start out that I'm gonna keep up with the uploading of video around stay code. Of course, you can also learn from that. So all you just need to do is just stick around to the end of this video while I walk you through the two ways to make money on Stakecut platform. And I think I also make a video around Stakecut platform, which of course you can find the video on the top left or right corner here. And this will give you more insight on my first experience about Stakecut and how I explore you around to see what Stakecut is actually all about and how you can also make money from the platform. So this is just the whole website homepage, and let's dive into the real deal, which is the inside of Stakecut platform. So this is the inside of Stakecut, and this is my own affiliate dashboard, and I'm not a vendor on this website, so you can also see that. So I'm currently an affiliate and I don't have any course, which of course I want to promote on this platform. So I'm going to walk you through the inside and the features so you can see how the website works, and of course how to promote some affiliate product, or if you have your own product on this website, you can also see how you're gonna be promoting that particular course or your product. So you can see I have a new account, and you can see total earnings is zero and number of sale is zero. So I haven't done anything on this particular platform. So, but then I'm gonna be taking this seriously because I found out that people are very much interested in seeing what this platform is legally all about. And that is exactly what I'm going to be guiding you through, so you can stick around and follow my step, because that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So this is the affiliate platform and dashboard, sorry, and then you can see the marketplace. On this marketplace, you're going to be seeing different package, different offers, which of course you can jump into and promote. I also noticed that most courses that are actually on this platform are based on affiliate marketing, and you can see the people you will be promoting an affiliate marketing course, which costs $50, are those people who are very much interested in job pin right on top this as fast as possible. And you can also navigate to different courses. There are a lot of affiliate offers, which of course you can jump into and then earn money from them. You can see the total commission, which of course you're going to be making on each of these courses or products. You can see most of them are digital products, so just promote them on any platform you think people are gonna be buying these things. So you can see you're gonna be getting 50% commission if you make or sell a single product on this affiliate marketing accelerator program. And you can see this stellar publishing guide. You're gonna be getting 50% on that as well, which costs $41.07. And you kind of see uh, ultimate affiliate marketing program, which is another one, and this costs $50 as well. So you can see who are the people you just want to promote all this kind of offer to, which of course they're going to be interested in purchasing a course or a product that worth $50. That is around 60,000 naira in Nigerian, and I don't know about how much it will cost in other country. But trust me, I see an average of Nigeria who will be able to afford $50 or 60,000 naira in Nigeria. But then if you are very determined and very much interested in making money online, this is of course what you need to go for. But then it all depends on individual uh, choices. So you can just go ahead and think if you just want to go for this. You can also see video content workshop which costs $10, and you're gonna be getting $50 on that. So you shared same rate with the person with the creator. So since this person cannot actually do the promotion, so they are giving you 50%, which worth $5 to promote this particular product for them. And you can also see another one, ghostwriting income generator course, which also costs $50, and you're gonna be getting 50% on that one as well. There are a lot of courses or digital products which of course you can jump into. Some of them will also offer you up to 60%, and some of them are less than that. You can see this one 10%. I doubt who will jump on this because probably maybe because it's not that too cost. But for me personally, I will jump into any commission from $50 upward because that is what I can actually do. Because I have to do some promotion, write content, and more of that before I can be able to get sales. So it's not that easy. So for me to write content and promote your product, and I'll be getting $10 or 10% for that, that is not done. I can't actually stretch to that amount to do that. So that is all for the Stakecut marketplace. And to see the top affiliate who are breaking the money on Stakecut, you're gonna see them here. So you can see yearly worker, senior seller on Stakecut making already making 308 sales. You can see another one which is junior 356 sales, and you can also see another one 180 sales, 214 sales, 124 sales, 134 sales. So if you are just like interested in jumping on any affiliate product that you want to promote, I suggest you jump down to all these sellers. So once you see what they are actually selling, I think that will be the easiest way for you to promote their product in order to make money. It's done in like in my own opinion because that's kind of like more easier since you notice that people are purchasing this kind of course, so all you just need to do is just promote it more to people who will be much interested in buying that particular product. So another one is finding some contest on Stakecut. You can also find a contest on Stakecut, which of course, once you feel contest, you're gonna be able to make up to this amount. You can see these are the active contests. You can see win land property, laptop, smartphone, and cash prize. So you can click on few contests and you're gonna see what is inside the contest. So what you're gonna be doing and the cost and how much you'll be making on that. You can see leaders, board. These are people that are already leading uh the place, and you can see 5 sales, 200 gross sales. So I don't know how this context work, but then they're gonna be giving you money for doing that. So on this left side, I'm gonna also explore. You can also join the Telegram channel for the Stakecut platform, and you can also see the incoming product, which of course they are working on. Probably they are still reviewing. You can also see bestsellers. I think this is the section where you see top vendors who are making the most money on Stakecut platform. So let's wait for it to load the products and let's see what are the products that are actually selling. So you can see Caleb, Abraham, Joshua, Chigozie, Chiamaka. These are the people that are raking money on Stakeout platform. So all you're gonna do is just navigate to their profile, see their courses or digital product they are selling, and all you just need to do is just jump on it and promote it in any way you actually think people are going to be interested in that product, and you can make your money for that. So I also find out that if you want to jump into this as be a vendor, like you have a course you want to sell on Stakeout, all you just need to do is just click on become a vendor, and it's gonna ask you some to accept all these features. So your account will be upgraded permanently to a vendor account, and you can list products on Stakecut platform. All your affiliate activities will still be available for you to use, and all affiliate earnings will still be intact. You must have a product to list to continue this process. If you accept this following, uh kindly click the accept button so we can upgrade your account. I'm not sure if that's gonna cost you to upgrade your account on Stakeout platform, because I feel like they should have list or mentioned the price, which of course I'm gonna be paying if I need to pay any amount to upgrade my account on Stakeout platform. So the reason why Stakeout is actually different from other platforms is the fact that it's actually free, and unlike some other affiliate platform, which of course you have to pay some certain amount of money in order to upgrade your account. So Stakeout is free, and I think more, which is more of the reason why people are jumping down to this platform. So now let's say, for example, I just want to promote an affiliate product on Stakeout. All I'm gonna do is just create a content around that product. Let's say, for example, how to start making money online through affiliate marketing. So you can jump to Medium website or any, if you have your own website, that will even be more easier because you can actually scale up from there and create and promote different products on your own website. But if you don't have your own website, so all you're just gonna do is just head up to medium.com, let's say medium.com, then you can create account on medium.com. It's actually free as well. Just go down to medium.com, and all you just need to do is just click on write. So once you click on write, you can create a content around a product which of course you want to be promoting. Let's say I want to create uh an article around how to make money online using affiliates marketing. So you can see right here. So once you are done with this, the next thing you need to do is just head up to. You can also include Nigeria so that it so targets Nigerian people. So how to make money online using affiliate marketing in Nigeria, or how to make money in Nigeria using affiliate marketing. So which anyone you actually think people are going to be searching for is more it's okay. So this is one keyword which is make money online. This is another keyword which is affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So you have two keyword which of course we are targeting in this particular keyword. So the next thing for you to do is just head up to Google Bard or ChatGPT, and then you can just write an article. Let's say, for example, I want to create a content around this, and I'm gonna go to my chat GPT or Google Bard, for example, then uh give it a prompt whereby it can write for me. Let's say, for example, I want to do this. Let me create a new chat, and then I'm gonna just do this. Write me 2000 words on how to make money online using affiliate marketing in Nigeria, then hit on this enter button and it's gonna generate the article for you. So once it generates, you can use Codeboard to rewrite the article so that it can be unique. And once you're done with that, all you just need to do is just go ahead to your Medium and paste the article inside it. So I'm gonna just do that. So let's wait for it to generate and we can move on to the next one. So it has done generating the content for us. So let's copy. And the reason why I always like ChatGPT is the fact that it will generate the whole content for you, but then Google Bard will just generate the content halfway, and that is very, very bad. But then it also generates a latest and good quality content. So I'm just giving you this idea. Let's say, for example, let's just imagine the whole content is done. So all you just need to do is just copy the content. So let me try this and say, let's say, can you please continue the write-up? Let's see if it will continue or not. But I'm not sure it will continue. It will rather start another one again, which of course won't make any sense. So you can see it's not making any sense again. So, but you can also use ChatGPT, or if you are a writer, that will be cool. You can just write on your own and that will be okay. So let's say, for example, the whole content is done. Then all you just need to do is just copy the content, use the Quickboard to rewrite the whole article. So once you are done with it, you can paste the article on your Medium or on your website. Then inside this same content, you're gonna be telling or uh, tagging this like learn affiliate marketing 101 here. So you can see learn affiliate marketing 101 here. So just find one of these affiliate marketing courses you want to promote. Just click on promote and get the unique link. So once you get the link, input it on, you can see commission 60%. And let's scroll down. You're gonna be seeing the affiliate link. So I think this is the affiliate link. So I'm gonna copy, then go down here and highlight this text, then you can click on link here and paste the link to the affiliate product. So once you do that, anybody that actually click on this, they're gonna land into that particular course, and can also include more link to this all content and just jump into another affiliate course so that you can people that are reading that article can select which one that are actually best for them. So within that time, you can also keep making money, and you don't have to stop there because there is a lot of ways to also promote your product. So once you're done with this, you can also reach out through social media platforms like Facebook and WhatsApp, join different community and let people know that you have a course that can actually help them in learning affiliate marketing without stressing. So this is just the easy way, which of course I found out there in order to make money on Stakecut platform. And I'm also uh working on making new video around other platform and also top affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria, which of course you can sign up to and promoting products and make money. And also if you want to upload your own course as well, they will be welcome. So if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below and I will be very much happy to reply to your request. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.